Hey guys, and welcome to my Anti-Venom tutorial. Now in this tutorial we're going to cover quite a lot of concepts and ideas, but what we're going to do is just start off with a very simple basic mesh like you see over here, and then we're going to turn it into something really monstrous and terrible. And after that we're going to make sure that we go deeper into anatomy. This isn't an anatomy course, but I do want to make sure that you guys understand what we're sculpting and why we're sculpting it and what to avoid. Next, we're going to make sure to sculpt things like hands and the torso and the back muscles. I also want to make sure that you guys understand that, because I do feel that some of those muscles aren't really covered as well as they should be. We're going to be doing quite a lot of that and going into depth. What we're going to do as well is we're going to make sure that we have a little bit of fun with this model. We're going to detail it, making sure we get things like the insignia. We're going to add a little bit of liquid to the model just to make sure that we have some of that symbiote look. We're also going to add some hard surface modeling as well. So we're going to do a sword, we're going to do a base, we're going to make sure that we have everything that we can add to this to make it look as it should, right? Something amazing, something overwhelming and powerful. And after we're done with all that detailing, what we're going to do is we're going to pose our character, because we do want a little bit of dynamic movement, everything in ZBrush, and from that we're going to paint our model in ZBrush as well, making sure that we get all the color information right in there. And next we're going to move on to Blender. In Blender what we're going to do is set up some cameras, set up some lights, set up some HDR eyes as well, just to make sure that we have some really good lighting. And we will also render our mesh in Blender, and just to get some of the best results out there as well. And after all of that, we're going to take our renders into Photoshop and just give them a little bit of a boost, just to make sure that we have them up to a portfolio standard. We're going to present them, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So all of that is in this tutorial. We're going to go through quite a bit. Now this is not a game ready model, but you can definitely use some of the high poly stuff that we're using in here and the low poly modeling techniques in a game ready pipeline for sure. But at the end of the day, this is just a model that I want to teach you guys how to sort of start and finish in ZBrush, and also just how to pose and set things up in Blender. And that is pretty much it, guys. I can't wait to see you in the tutorial, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with the information you're given and the lessons we go through. Okay, I hope to see you there.